Don't do this manually. Have a large list of numbers and need to rank them? Let Excel do the heavy lifting. In this video, we'll break down how to use the rank function step by step. The rank function in Excel helps you quickly assign a position or rank to a value within a list. For example, in a list of test scores, you can identify who scored the highest, second highest, and so on. What's great is that it can rank in two ways. One is descending order, where the highest value gets rank 1. 2 is ascending order, where the smallest value gets rank 1. The syntax is for rank function. Equals rank, open parenthesis, number, comma, references, comma, order, and close the parenthesis. Here's how it works. Number. This is the specific value you want to rank. References. This is the range of numbers you're comparing against. Order. This is optional. Use 0 or leave it blank for descending order, highest to lowest, or 1 for ascending order, lowest to highest. Don't worry if this feels tricky. Let's see it in action. Here's a list of scores. Let's rank them from highest to lowest. In cell D2, type equals rank, open parenthesis, C2, comma, C2 to C6, comma, 0, and close the parenthesis. This tells Excel to compare the value in C2 against the range C2 to C6 and rank it in descending order. Drag the formula down, and Excel will rank the remaining scores automatically. Notice how the highest score is rank 1. Now let's rank the same scores in ascending order. In cell E2, type equals rank, open parenthesis, C2, comma, C2 to C6, comma, 1, and close the parenthesis. Press Enter, and you'll see the lowest score gets rank 1. Again, drag the formula down for the other values. See how the ranks change based on the order parameter. It's that easy. But what if two scores are the same? The rank function assigns the same rank to both values. The next rank is skipped to maintain the order. For example, if two scores tie at rank 2, the next rank will be 4. If you want a different approach to ties, try RANK.EQ or RANK.AVG functions. RANK.EQ assigns the same rank to ties, while RANK.AVG gives the average rank. You follow these tips for professional use. 1. Always check that your reference range doesn't include blank cells or text, as this can cause errors. 2. Use absolute references in the ref parameter if you want to drag your formula without changing the range. 3. Combine rank with conditional formatting to highlight the top performers visually. And there you have it. The rank function is a simple yet powerful tool to analyze and organize your data. Try it out in your next Excel project. That's it. Excel made easy. Like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.